What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Samsung has finally started rolling out a brand new update for the Galaxy Watch Ultra series. This is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2024 edition that I've got here, and this is the security patch for the February month. And this update was made available a few days ago for the Galaxy Watch 8 series as well as the Galaxy Watch 7 series. But for the Galaxy Watch Ultra series, the update was not available, and now Samsung has started rolling out. Let's go to the settings here on the watch. We can go to software update section here. Okay, here it is. Software update, download and install. It'll check for the update. If it is available in your country, in your region, it will show up right over here. You can also check the update on the Galaxy phone on the wearable application. All you need to do is just go to the watch settings, tap on software update, watch software update, and then you will be able to check for the update. This is the new page here, One UI 8 watch, the new update page. Tap on check for updates. Here it is. It says copying the update to your watch. Let me quickly take you through the change log over here. The size is about 432.87 MB and the security patch is February 2026 and the version number ends with BZB4, and in the change log it says device behavior has been improved. Security, the device is protected with improved security. After updating, you will not be able to downgrade to the old software because of the updates to the security policy. So that is something to note here. And this update should improve the security on the device as well as stability on the device. So if you have been facing any issues with the phone, this particular update should be able to fix those issues. Any lags or stutters on the device, this update will fix it. And if you're facing any battery drain issues on the watch, this update should be able to fix that as well. Now let's go ahead and update this and let's see how is the watch performing. Let's see if there is any lag or stutters. This is going to take a couple of minutes. I will come back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, the watch has been updated. Now let's quickly check out how the watch is performing. Let me open the quick panel here. It's pretty smooth. No stutters there. No stutters or lags here. Let's go to settings. Again, no issues here. Let's open a few applications and see. Weather, reminder, maps, calendar, gallery. So looks like there is no lags or stutters while opening the applications or while bringing down the quick panel or while opening the app tray here. So the watch seems to be okay. This watch is still giving me about 2.5 to 3 days of battery life. Let me know how is the battery performance on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. There won't be much of a difference when we compare these performances with the latest Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. It will remain the same because the chipset is still the same. It's W1000 chipset on both the watches and the battery size is also the same. Now one more thing I wanted to inform you guys that this year we can expect the all new Ultra series watch, because last year we saw the classics, so Samsung will be releasing the classics on alternative years, and even the Ultra series will be released alternative years. So this year we are expecting a brand new Ultra series, and that new watch will be powered by Snapdragon Wear Elite. So that is going to be a big boost. That will be a big upgrade for the Galaxy watches. The new Snapdragon Wear Elite is expected to bring in good battery performance, and overall performance is expected to be better on those watches. So if you're planning to buy a new watch this year or upgrade to a new watch, just wait for it. The all new watch from Samsung is going to be a beast this year. I will keep you guys posted about everything. I have also posted a video about the all new Galaxy watch which is expected this year. Do go ahead and check out the card by the end of the video, and do subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. That's all I have here. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.